bestinlinemerch.com. Ah, Paris! The city of lights, the city of love, and oh, how it captures the heart like no other place on earth. When you think of romance, it's hard not to picture the iconic Eiffel Tower twinkling against the night sky, or the charming cobblestone streets lined with quaint cafes where couples share whispered secrets over croissants and café au lait. But let's dive deeper into what makes Paris the ultimate romantic destination, shall we? First off, let's talk about the essentials for any romantic getaway. If you're planning to explore Paris with that special someone, you'll want to pack a few key travel items. A stylish yet comfortable pair of walking shoes is crucial, because you'll want to stroll hand in hand along the Seine River, taking in the breathtaking views of Notre Dame and the bridges that arch gracefully over the water. Trust me, there's nothing quite like the feeling of wandering through the Marais district, with its charming boutiques and hidden gardens. And don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture every beautiful moment, from the stunning architecture of the Sacré-Cœur to the sunset view from the top of Montmartre. A lightweight backpack is perfect for carrying your essentials while leaving your hands free to hold on to each other. Pack a reusable water bottle too. It's essential for staying hydrated as you explore the city. Now, let's talk about the experiences that will really ignite the sparks of romance. One of my favorite things to do in Paris is to enjoy a picnic in one of its many parks. Imagine this. You and your partner find a cozy spot in the Jardin des Tuileries, surrounded by blooming flowers and the laughter of children playing nearby. You spread out a soft blanket, and with a simple baguette, a selection of fine cheeses, and maybe a bottle of wine, you create your own little oasis. It's a moment filled with intimacy, laughter, and the simple joys of life. As the sun begins to set, take a leisurely walk along the Seine. The golden hour casts a magical glow on the city, and you can't help but feel like you're in a romantic movie. Stop at one of the many bridges, like Pont Alexandre III, and take in the view. The shimmering water reflects the lights of the city, and it's a moment that feels timeless. This is where love stories are written, where memories are etched into the fabric of your relationship. And speaking of memories, let's not forget about the art. Paris is home to some of the world's most famous museums. But the Musée de l'Orangerie is a hidden gem that's perfect for couples. Picture this. You walk through the serene rooms filled with Monet's water lilies, and you can't help but feel the beauty of the moment wash over you. Art has a way of connecting people, and sharing this experience can deepen your bond. Of course, a trip to Paris wouldn't be complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Whether you're savoring a decadent chocolate eclair at a local patisserie or dining at a Michelin-starred restaurant, the food here is an experience in itself. Consider taking a cooking class together, where you can learn how to create classic French dishes. It's not just about the food, it's about the shared experience, the laughter, and the joy of creating something together. As your trip comes to an end, take a moment to reflect. Paris has a way of weaving its magic into your heart, leaving you with memories that last a lifetime. So, whether you're planning your first romantic getaway or looking to reignite the spark in your relationship, Paris is the perfect backdrop. With the right travel essentials in tow and an open heart, you'll find that every corner of this magnificent city has something to offer. So go ahead, book that ticket, and let the romance of Paris sweep you off your feet. Like and subscribe.